him walk up in the front.
Right there. Broke the spindle on the right front axle.
Ah, what a
You
tough
can see it came
break.
away when he came down on that jump. Now they weren't sure because they couldn't test it back in the pits, but the report was coming through on one of our